Alright friends, so we need to clean up the chicken coop. It's starting to stink. So I'm gonna go to the garage and get the wheelbarrow and the shovel, and we're gonna come in here and clean up this mess because they're only gonna be here in about another week before we move them out into pasture. So come on along while I get that going. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the barn to get the wheelbarrow. Always when you are cleaning out chicken coop or anything that has a lot of dust, make sure you wear your mask because you don't want to be breathing in all that nastiness. So let's go get the shovel and the wheelbarrow so we can get that and put it into our compost bin. Alright guys, I got the wheelbarrow, I got the shovel, and I got my dogs. Let's go. Alright guys, so we finished, got it all done. They've all got their new bedding and they're pretty happy about it. And this is one of the Americanas that we got, and if you can tell, they are pretty much the same size as the Cornish crosses. See if I can grab one. There we go. Okay, so you can see they are pretty much the same size as these guys. Actually, they're a little bit smaller. The Cornish cross, they are definitely a fast growing bird. But look at that. And these ones are a week older. 2 weeks older, sorry. 2 weeks older. But yeah. But thanks for coming along today as I clean up the chicken coop in here. And keep it smelling good because it stinks. If you let it go too long, it starts getting really sour smelling. But let me go ahead and put these guys down. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, hope all is well and have a blessed day. Having a farm is hard work and fun sometimes. A lot of hard work.